Hey guys, my name is Tito. Today is the 31st of May and this is my YouTube report for the month of May. Now I do a YouTube report every month to monitor how my YouTube channel has performed, in the previous month in terms of views, watch time hours, and subscribers. I do this because I'm trying to reach the milestones required to get this channel monetized, and those milestones are 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers within a 12-month period. So that's why I'm doing this report, just to see how I'm faring month by month. Now, I didn't do a monthly report for the month of April because April into May, I was very busy with client work, so I couldn't get around to making a video. So I've missed now February and April. But anyway, let's look at how my channel performed in the month of May. Now, I'll start by looking at the views for the month of May. In May, my channel got 8,151 views. Very nice. And in terms of watch time hours, you guys watched 432.9 hours of my content. Also very nice. Finally, subscriber count, I got 109 subscribers in the month of May. Now, these numbers are, well, as far as my channel is concerned, these are actually very good numbers. They're higher than, I think, last month's numbers. I think I'll try and do it side by side and put it on the screen, right? But I think the reason for these good numbers is because I put out some strategic and quite good content, if I do say so myself, in the month of May. Man of God came out and so did Blood Sisters. I did reviews for all 4 episodes, and those 4 episodes of Blood Sisters got some decent views. So I think that helped to rack up my watch time hours, and I got a fair amount of subscribers from those videos too. So yeah, May was actually a good month, probably the best month so far on my channel. Now, concerning the month of June, which is probably when you're watching this video, or when I plan to edit this video at least anyway, I hope my channel can cross over the 500 subscriber mark, because once it does that, I'll have access to the community tab, YouTube's community tab, and I really want to make use of that. And I hope I get a lot of views this month as well. There isn't as much, happening or trendy content, or movies I should say, or shows coming out in the month of June to my knowledge, so I'm a bit worried, but I'm keeping my fingers crossed nonetheless. Now, in terms of the competition or the giveaway that I do on this channel, for those of you who've been following this thing, every month I'm meant to give out 2,500 naira for people who can correctly guess how many subscribers this channel will have at the very end of the month. So if you can correctly guess how many subscribers I'm going to have by the end of June, like around midnight, just as June crosses into July, if you can correctly guess how many subscribers I'll have, you will win 22,500 naira, because no one has won thus far. The money has been, the prize money has been building, and the pot now is 22,500. So if you can correctly guess how many subscribers I'm going to have at the end of the month, then you will win the money. Yeah, I'll put the instructions or the details of the competition down in the description box below. Thanks for watching, guys. I want to especially thank those of you who are like regulars on this channel, who usually engage with me in the comment section down below, or who DM me on Instagram. You guys know who you are. I appreciate you guys especially, and I appreciate the rest of you who watch my videos. Keep on watching my videos, keep sharing them with friends and family, get them to subscribe as well, so that the numbers can keep, growing on this YouTube channel. Thanks for the final time, guys. I will catch you real soon in my next video. Take care.